Welcome to Galactic Lifestyle, where cosmic cuisine, space fashion, and futuristic innovations collide for an unparalleled cosmic adventure. Greetings, fellow Earth Wanderers, and welcome to Galactic Lifestyle. My name is Girmari de Leon, but you guys can call me Marie. I am an instructional coordinator here at the New Mexico Museum of Space History. Buckle up because today we're diving head first into the extravagant world of astronaut living, focusing our exploration on the middle deck of the space shuttle, aka the living quarters. But hold your anti-gravity boots first, space food, where every calorie counts more than your college GPA. In early days of space exploration, scientists discovered that food served in open containers could flow around. To rescue their floating feast, they had to unveil their secret sauce. Literally, they discovered that food served in a gravy or a thick sauce stuck to the container like that cosmic clingy friend. After this discovery, squeezed pouches were replaced with flatware and open-seal dishes. Astronauts are basically playing Tetris with their food. Picture this: weight limits tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner combined, and storage space more precious than your mother's secret stash. The daily food supply is loaded with potassium, calcium, and nitrogen, minerals that the body loses when in weightlessness. The lack of these minerals affect our muscle tone, bone mass, ability to concentrate, and disposition. But that's really another video, so stay tuned. Let's dive into the different cooking techniques that outer space has to offer. First up, dehydration, where water is removed from the food. It's like space food is saying, "See ya, H2O, I'm going on a solo mission." Less water means less weight. Water could also be partially removed from the food. That process is known as intermediate moisture. Next, freeze-dried. Imagine that your food went to space boot camp and shed all its water weight. Just add water when you're ready to eat and you will have a gourmet space feast. Now, thermostabilize. Here, your favorite meal had a spa day in a cozy little pouch. Heat it up at moderate temperature, pamper and seal for freshness. Just add hot water and boom, fine dining in the vacuum of space. Let's not forget about irradiation, a way of sapping bacteria and nasties from the food because nobody wants space food poisoning. Finally, natural, or in its original way. The food system relies heavily on dehydration because water is easily available. Over 100 food items like cereals, spaghetti, scrambled eggs, and strawberries go over the dehydration-hydration process. 20 varieties of drinks, including tea and coffee, are also dehydrated. Cans, flexible pouches, and semi-rigid plastic containers are used for packaging. Meal preparation for a crew of 7 could be done in 30 minutes. Not bad if you ask me. This food is so delicious that even gravity gives it a standing ovation. Bon appetit, space travelers. See you next time on another episode of Galactic Lifestyle with yours truly.